Hello, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make your DJI Mavic Pro 2 smart remote controller to limit the distance of the drone flight to a certain distance for safety reasons. For example, if you're a beginner and you want your drone not to go more than, let's say, 300 meters, this is how you put a limit to the distance of its flight or its operational range. So here's how we do it. The first thing you want to do, obviously, is you go to the main menu of your drone. So this is the main screen. You click on Go. It will bring you to the drone screen or the flight screen. And click on those three dots on the top. And right there, go to the drone, the picture of the drone. And then scroll down. And here's your maximum flight distance, currently set to 800 meters. You can switch this to any distance of your choice by clicking and entering the distance. Like you could, for a beginner, it should be like maybe 200 meters, give or take. Or you could even do it 100 meter, depends. So yeah, you do that and you click done, and there you go. Now your drone will not go any further than your set distance. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.